a glorious church. A glorious church. Without sanctification, the church is not glorious. The church, I'm sure you know, the building is not the church. The people, that's the church. And the church, the people, may have a great building. The building does not make a glorious church. The church may have great pastors. Having great pastors will not make the church a glorious church. The church may have the best of singers and the best of choirs in their orchestration in the world, that their music is even better than the music of the world. The music, the orchestration does not make the church glorious. A singing church without sanctification is not a glorious church. The church may have a lot of money to, erect a great building, a lot of money to even do charitable work, social work. Money does not make a glorious church. A rich church, a wealthy church without sanctification is not a glorious church. But Jesus gave himself, sacrificed his blood, shed his blood, so that he might present to himself a glorious church, not having spot. That's glorious. Not having fault, not having blemish or wrinkle or any such thing, but that it should be holy and without blemish. That is what Christ died for. He wants to make the church with all its members without spot, without wrinkle, without blemish, without fault.